Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Adobe Photoshop on my computer. Tutorial 13, how to add the YouTube channel icon to your project. Without further ado, let us start the video. In this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the application Adobe Photoshop, and a project that we have been working on in the previous tutorials. As you can see on screen, photo.psd. Let's now click on this, wait for that to load. And so before we insert the logo into the project, let's now minimize Photoshop for the moment. Go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Go to YouTube Studio, make sure you are signed into the account. Now go to Content, Filter, as you know, I have a playlist that shows the viewers how to use YouTube. Click on enter, and within that playlist, tutorial 34 shows you how to create a channel icon that will be inserted in today's video. So I'll leave a link in the description for you to see that video where I create the logo itself. So we can now quit Safari, go all the way down to the dock, go back to Photoshop. Let's now go to Finder, go to my YouTube channel, and there we have the YouTube icon on screen. Let's click on this and insert into the project like this. If we do require, we can move this around. Let's move the photo to the right, the logo to the left, and then decrease the size of what we have on screen. To about 688 by 688. And so that's how you insert a YouTube channel icon logo into your Photoshop project. Command S to save, quit Photoshop, quit Finder. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.